Hello guys, today I'll show you how to make your repository in GitHub private or public. Simply head to your Google account and type here github.com and simply open your account. So as you can see, this is my repository. Simply I want to make it private or public. Simply open your repository, then simply head to your option settings. Then after you scroll below, at the last you will see option called danger zone, which is at red color, and here is the option called change repository visibility. This repository is currently in public. As you can see, this is in public. To change in private, simply click on change to private, and I want to make this repository at private and apply the domain condition and hit this change. After this, your repository is at private. To change this at public, simply go at the last and again click on change visibility and change to public. Now again your repository is at public, and that's how you change your repository as public or private in GitHub. If this helped you, please like this video and I will see you in the next one.